guys? My name's Graham and welcome to the Neat Feed. Today we're going to do a crispy sweet potato with lemon yogurt and a za'atar crunch. Za'atar is one of my favorite spices. It's a Mediterranean blend. It's got sesame seeds, thyme, and some marjoram. It's really versatile and has a nice lemon finish. Let's go ahead and jump in. So to start with, we have sweet potatoes, puffed rice, lemon, yogurt, pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, za'atar, coriander seeds, and salt and pepper. I'm going to show you my favorite way to roast sweet potatoes in this recipe. Feel free to just do the sweet potatoes, but I highly recommend doing the whole recipe. The lemon yogurt brings out a nice citrus creaminess, and the za'atar crunch really adds a nice texture to the dish. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Season all the sweet potatoes with salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil, and wrap in aluminum foil. For large to medium sweet potatoes like these, I usually roast them about 30 to 45 minutes. They should be soft to the touch, but still maintain their shape. Now to make the lemon yogurt as the sweet potatoes roast in the oven. Here we have a Greek-style yogurt, 1 whole lemon, zest and juice, and then half a bunch of cilantro. Remove the cilantro leaves and finely chop. Add the Greek-style yogurt to a mixing bowl. Next, lightly zest the lemon, removing only the outer skin. The white layer underneath the skin becomes bitter, so don't remove too much. Season with salt and pepper. Add the cilantro. And finally, juice the lemon. Mix it all together and refrigerate. Now I'll show you how to put together the za'atar crunch. I have some raw pepitas here that I'm going to toast in a 350 degree oven. You can also buy them already roasted from the store. Start with a cold sauté pan over medium heat. Add the coriander seed and the za'atar. I really love toasting my spices. It brings out the aromatic oils from the spices and really intensifies the flavor. Toast the spices until they start to smoke a little and release their oil. Be sure to shake the pan throughout the process so the spices don't burn. I'm using some rosemary infused olive oil, but you can use just regular olive oil. Once the olive oil is incorporated, add the toasted pepitas and the sunflower seeds. Shake it up to incorporate everything, and finally add the puff rice. Season with some kosher salt and set aside to garnish the potatoes. Once the sweet potatoes are done, remove them from the foil. Be careful, they're hot. Cut the potatoes into 1-inch cubes. Be careful not to press too hard and smash the potatoes. Line a sheet tray with parchment paper and olive oil and put the potatoes on top. Season with more olive oil, salt, and pepper. Set the oven to 450 degrees and roast for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until they become crispy. Now I'm going to plate the final dish. Lemon yogurt goes down on the bottom of the plate. The perfectly roasted sweet potatoes go on top of the lemon yogurt. Top with the za'atar crunch. I like to add a little bit of cilantro for color and finish with some olive oil. This is one of my favorite vegetable dishes, and it's a great addition to any meal. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You can find the full recipe down below in the description. If you like the channel, be sure to like and subscribe.